Hi everyone, today I want to share the latest paper pumpkin. It just came today, which is kind of late. This is the May 2020, a kit in color paper pumpkin box. I love the box, it's super bright, and I've been eagerly awaiting it because I knew what it looked like. I saw it already because normally I get mine pretty early, but today it's really late. I live in the Chicagoland area and our mail is a little bit behind these days. I think they're a little short-staffed, and so mail is taking longer. And so I've been waiting, not so patiently, for my box. Okay, so I want to show you this stamp set. It is super great. Look at these big, bold sentiments here. You're amazing. Hey, and then you could put, miss you on the inside or something like that. Oh, happy day, and then there's just some little fun accents. And then rainbows, and you can make a pretty rainbow. And I like how it's just kind of a cutesy, whimsical rainbow. It's really cute. And then the spot this month is Misty Moonlight, which is a brand new color coming out June 3rd in the annual catalog. So this is a preview of next month's box. So you have to subscribe for this one by June 10th. I have a feeling it'll sell out a little early, like this one did. This one sold out early, so you might have missed out on getting this May box. And just so you know, I did get a few extras. I always do, and normally I bring them to my Stamp Camp and Card Buffet, and my regular customers there buy them. But I'm not having Stamp Camp and Card Buffet, so I didn't get as many as I usually do, but I did get a couple. So if first few people who want one, let me know. Anyway, I want to talk to you about next month's box really quick. It's all about sharing sunshine. The box itself has a big sunshine on it, and you can decorate it. And it's about making a box for someone and filling it with all kinds of fun sunshiny things, some chocolate, whatever, and then handing it to somebody that you care about. And that is kind of a fun thing. You can leave it on a doorstep of your neighbor, or you can give it to, I don't know, fill it with something and leave it for somebody, and it's in your life. And I think it's kind of a nice way to brighten someone's day. I know we're worried about spreading COVID-19, and so you can, when they get the box, they can set it aside for a couple days till everything dies off, and then they can open it. And it'll be a box of sunshine. So it's really cute. I want to show you that. This is next month. Subscribe by June 10th. All right, let's look at this month. I like this bright, cheery tissue. And here is picture of the cards. You get 4 each of 3 designs, and they're full-size cards. Let's open it up. Okay, that came out of the box all wonky, didn't it? Okay, so let me show you the envelopes. I love the envelopes. There are 3 different envelopes. How cute are those? Okay. And 3 different card bases. One, 2, 3. And then we have accents for those cards. There are some die-cut clouds. These are really cute clouds. There's some really fun rainbows, and this kind of a nice little sunny background. Here's some vellum, and there's some vellum tags. I kind of messed everything up when I opened it. Okay, these are puffy stickers. Look at these cute little stickers. Adorable. And then we've got some really nice baker's twine, some adhesive dimensionals, and some adhesive dots. So it's a really cute kit. Here are the products put together. So you can see the clouds here, and those puffy stickers. Really bright and cheery. You're going to love sending these out to people. They're going to have a nice time opening this up and seeing the bright colors. You've got your instructions inside. Really cute. I think there are, let's see, 8 full-size cards, and then these 4 here I think are note card size. But let me make sure that I'm got that correct. And I can tell by the envelopes. Yes, I do have that correct. So these are note card size. And then the rest are large size. You get a good variety here. really cute pack. I think it's really adorable. I think it's bright and cheery. I hope that you like it, and I want to remind you about this one for June, and contact me with any questions you may have. I hope that you remember that I have a few extra kits, and if you need one, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.